Yo, what's up? From the beautiful part of Bali, which is called Sidemen. In East Bali, Karangasem. It was raining on the way here. We came like a 2 hours drive, but was totally worth it because check this out, how beautiful and calm is over here. And yeah, well, you can find so many beautiful landscapes here of the rice fields and the local houses and the mountains. It's still a little bit, cloudy because of the rain just finished, and we just arrived to the one of the hotels here because they have a beautiful river access here. I just want to show you a little bit around how does it look like. It was raining, everything is still wet. Look at the snails here, actually, like this one, just enjoying. Hello, yo, what's up, little buddy? Just after rain. So it's so cool for everyone who are looking for nature and peaceful and little bit different vibe of Bali. Highly recommended to come to Sidemen, guys, because you can still find some hotel to stay or guest house, restaurant, but at the same time beautiful landscapes like this one.
So we just arrived in the restaurant. We will have a coffee and snack and then after this we will go down there and show you how beautiful the river there, clean, and we can hear the sound of the nature. And yeah, we will explore more about the Sidemen area.
And this is one of the restaurants here inside of the one of the property here. One beautiful swimming pool here, mountains. It was raining and there is the river. We're gonna go there and explore, and the palm trees and the Hanover mountains. And even you could stay here if you would like to.
We just had our snack, and then we decided to go down and let's see how it is. The water down there sounds, from upstairs, sounds so relaxing. So yeah, let's go down.
Let's go. But there's so much stairs to going down, and there is the river somewhere between this jungle. Okay, let's go. And that's supposed to be the lamp. Very nice. Let's see, coconuts. It's after rain, so it's very beautiful, fresh air, isn't it?
Yes, I'm super excited. Let's go down.
Okay, let's go. Just be careful, must be slippery, sayang, isn't it?
Yeah, it was raining before.
Yeah.
Honey, be careful, the cobra probably, baby.
What?
Cobra.
Or snakes. Snakes and crocodiles. Look at this one, this river and everything. If I'm in Australia, probably somebody will eat me already. we discussed with our uncle and auntie about what they'll kill you in Australia, but we are in Bali, so probably some little snake only maybe. And yeah, beautiful small river and nature. I mean, I really like it here because it's so, listen to this one.
To the nature song, right?
So nice, isn't it? Okay, let's go there. There's main river, very cool.
All right, so we are close by the river over there. Hello, Papa.
Hello. Look at this man, he's very strong. There's bamboo sticks.
We close by the river.
Yeah,
and
somewhere here.
From the top you can see the clean water, and yeah, it's very relaxing.
Very relaxing place. There is I don't know what they are doing. I think they're doing some sort of like a cooking class or something, or you can camp here. There's the river. Before we're gonna show you, they're actually supposed to be the Mount Agung somewhere behind.
Yeah, look at that. Look at the Mount Agung.
Oh yeah, that's the Mount Agung over there from the perspective, and that's the river. So beautiful, actually. The water is maybe not that strong today, but it's beautiful. Look at this tree. So nice place. So normally, where we were last time here, we were camped somewhere here, but now they are the stones. So I predict, and during the rainy season in this winter, it must be strong water here, isn't it, Saya? What do you think?
Yes. And then one thing that the people coming here, even the local villagers coming here, just to take a bath, or just enjoying the time by the river. Very relaxing. This
is probably one of the most beautiful rivers in Bali so far. I mean, the Ubud have a beautiful rivers, but because of the, the ground is like a muddy, so it's blue, like a, the gray water. But here you can see like a stone, so it's like a mountain water. Yeah. Very nice, and the surrounds by the rice fields. Super cool place, guys. Let me know if you have ever been here before. If not, highly recommended. Recommended by the monkeys.
Come to Sidemen.
It's starting to be raining, but look at this river. This landscape is little bit, well, I'm not gonna say it's exactly, but it's little bit, especially the river like in Poland. In the mountains, we have it like that, or anywhere in the northern central Europe, you can find like this one. So I always feel a little bit like in home here, but it's raining, so I think we have to go slowly. And check this out on the other side. I'm gonna show you. It's very low water right now, so we can walk where normally was the water coming. It's so just beautiful here. I mean, like, check this out and show to the people how the water is clean actually. Come closer and you can see the stones, colors and everything is just clean. Okay, there's the rubbish actually, but in general, it's pretty clean water here. So it's very enjoyable. Okay, let's go back because it's raining and we cannot get wet. It's actually very far to go up now. And look at this one. I will zoom it a little bit for you. There's little dog on the rocks like this one. So cool. Very cool place. Last time was more water. Now it's less, but it's so cool to be here again. Yeah. What do you think, Sam? Nice place,
And
isn't it?
yeah, this is a very, nature things that whenever you want to escape from hustle and bustle life, Kutalagian, Seminyak, or Sanur, just come to Sidemen. And yeah, you can enjoy and you can feel relaxed, enjoying the nature like this. I'm speechless.
You're not coming here too often, but always happy to be here, isn't it? So nice, so nice. Last shot. And there is the one more view of the Mount Agung. I just want to zoom it for you. Like this one, so cool. Can you hear the sound of the nature and the river? So beautiful, really. There is the Mount Agung, and this river, this corner here is not interesting as there is like a main river, but here is like three different, the lanes of the river. But the water is small, but when it's, high water because of the rainy season, it's like so impressive to see this. But even it's today still impressive. Anyways, that's the Mount Agung, like I mentioned, and also this is the hotel where we actually came from because this land is becoming, it belongs to the hotel. Very nice place in case if you would like to stay. Very natural one. Only few places to stay in Sidemen, so, well, that's how it does it look like. It's getting really raining, we have to go up. They have also nice garden. This is the pineapple, just in case if you enjoy. Pineapple is growing like this one, not on the trees, because sometimes people thinking it's not growing on the trees. That's the beautiful flower, what you can find also here in Bali, like this one. And very interesting kind of palm tree. What is it, Sang? Do you know?
Like a pandan trees.
Pandan? Very nice.
It's very tropical things.
Very tropical
plants.
things here, isn't it? Okay, we go up there. Well, that's the cost of the exploring beautiful destinations, isn't it? Also here, there's like a beautiful alley with so much beautiful plants. There's the hotel rooms and the villas where you could stay. And we're going to show you something very cool, which is over there, just behind this corner.
So one iconic thing about the Sidemen is the building with the bamboo construction like this, just behind me. Just this one is the yoga studio. And yeah, very nice, listening to the sound of the nature, surrounded by the rice paddies. Look at that. And I'll show you, that's the yoga teacher is here. Hello, Pak.
Hello.
And oh wow, look at that. There is one waterfall even there.
Oh, there?
Yes.
Actually, yeah, I see right now. I'll zoom it for you. Yeah, a little bit waterfall. And there is like a little mist because of the obviously rainy, a little bit still rainy. Some villas, place to stay, and actually local village there. So cool, beautiful.
So nice. And river, rice paddies. Super cool.
And from the other side of the yoga place, you can find a landscape like this one, just the nature, rice field, and beautiful landscape. So beautiful, especially when it's little rainy, not too strong, not too low. It's so nice.
So it's raining, and look at over there, it's beautiful Mount Agung, and here look at the beautiful rice paddies. Wow, amazing.
So beautiful. But time to go home. And that's actually one of the main roads here, very small actually, but that's the village vibe. There is brand new cafe. I don't know what is it, but looks nice, overlooking the the rice field. Some local people must make it for sure. And well, basically that's how does it look like. Very enjoyable. If you have never ever been before in Sidemen, highly recommended to come here at least once. It's only 1.5 hours from Sanur, with including the traffic jam.
Look at that, beautiful Mount Agung, beautiful rice paddies, beautiful hill, everything is green. What I can say.
Beautiful.
I love Sidemen. And now Sidemen, I think that more, I don't know, you can find quite bit by bit a restaurant, just like over there next to me, and then over there also new hotel, I think, but it's okay. It's not like overcrowded like Ubud, but still enjoyable. I can imagine myself like walking in the morning, waking up in the morning and then walking. Oh, look at the beautiful birds over there.
Where?
Wow, they're
Oh,
so
beautiful.
nice. Wow. Wow.
Just beautiful place.
Yes. Okay, I think that's all our video today from Sidemen, and it's raining currently. So
1.5 hours, 2 hours to go back to Sanur.
thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.